What problems can arise if two devices share the same IP address?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're delving into a crucial topic in networking, IP address conflicts. We'll talk about what happens when two devices on the same network end up sharing the same IP address. Is it a benign blunder or a technical time bomb? Let's find out.
What is an IP address?
Before we dive into the issue, let's define our terms. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique identifier for devices on a network. Think of it as the street address for a house. It tells other devices where to send information.
What causes IP address conflicts?
So, how can two devices end up with the same IP address? There are a few ways this can happen. Manual configuration. If you set the IP addresses for your devices manually, it's easy to accidentally assign the same IP to two devices. Issues with DHCP. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP, automatically assigns IP addresses in most networks. If there's a glitch with your DHCP server, it may assign the same IP to two devices. Network merging. If you combine two networks, there might be devices on each that have the same IP address.
What are the consequences of IP address conflicts?
So, what happens when two devices have the same IP address? Trouble, that's what. Here are some potential issues. 1. Network instability. Both devices may experience intermittent connectivity or might be unable to connect to the network. 2. Communication errors. Devices on the network may get confused about where to send information, leading to lost or misdirected data. 3. Service interruptions. Services that rely on having a stable, unique IP address could stop working properly.
How to resolve IP address conflicts?
The good news is, IP address conflicts are usually straightforward to fix. Change the IP. If you're manually configuring IP addresses, change one of the conflicting devices to a different IP. Restart your router. Often, restarting your router or DHCP server can resolve conflicts. Use DHCP. If you're not already, consider using DHCP to automatically assign IP addresses and help avoid conflicts. In the world of networking, sharing is not always caring. IP address conflicts can lead to a range of problems, from network instability to service interruptions. But fear not. With careful management and a keen eye on your network setup, these issues can be avoided. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, in the network world, every device deserves its own unique space. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one.